Tired of a messy Kvcore CRM slowing you down? Let's declutter and get organized by removing unwanted contacts. First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard now. Navigate to the Smart CRM section located on the left-hand side menu. Click on it. Once you're in the Smart CRM, you need to find the contact you want to delete. Use the search bar at the top to type in their name, email address, or phone number. After you locate the contact, click on their name to open their profile. This will take you to their individual contact details page. On the contact profile page, look for the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the Options or More menu, usually located near the top right corner of the profile. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select the Delete option. Be absolutely sure this is the contact you want to remove before proceeding, as this action is usually irreversible. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to delete the contact. Read the message carefully, and if you're sure, click the Delete button to permanently remove the contact from your Kvcore database. And that's it. The contact is now removed. Regularly cleaning your database ensures accuracy and compliance. Keep your Kvcore CRM clean and efficient for optimal lead management.